water's gonna come out. Big one. Big one. Welcome everybody to episode 2 of the Dumpster Do Restoration Series. My intro clip got cut, but if you missed episode 1, I bought an absolutely clapped out Sea Doo GTX on Facebook Marketplace and took it on a test drive, and it ran like it looks, like hot garbage. Now in episode 2, I'm trying to fix some things and I end up filling my engine with water, so make sure to stay tuned to check that out. Right now I'm jumping into fixing the smoked dash. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Got it off. Finally. Kind of had to use. It looks crazy. Looks like it was glued or something, but kind of got to use a screwdriver to basically get in these side clips, but it's out. So now what we're gonna do is, now that I got it off, we're gonna cut, and I'll explain later, cut this thing down the middle, take that little LCD protector off, replace it, and then hopefully it'll work. So stay tuned. Heard a pop. I don't know if it's good or bad. It's still on there. Skinniest one.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
I mean, that just exploded. Tell me if I'm wrong there. Love to watch the replay. Let's hope you could order those on eBay. All right, so I've got the gauge cluster out. Little mishap happening while repairing the thing. I broke one of the needles, so gonna work on fixing that. But in the meantime, time has come. All right, harness is in. I think. Moment of truth. How many hours are on the ski? The guy says 60 to 80. My guess is 287 hours on this thing. Let's see, dash is working. Maintenance showing. 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see, hours. 0? There's no way. Oh my gosh. 60 hours? Are you all reading that? 375 hours. This thing's going halfway across the globe. 60 hours? There's no way. All right. That blew my number out the water. All right, so I decided I am gonna run it. I don't know the next time I'm gonna be able to get out here. In hopes that that'll make the, that'll get the code to pop up. Maintenance light is blinking. Oh, you see that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. P, there's a code. P1681. Okay. Any other codes? Check engine. Alright. 2 codes and a check engine light. Could be worse. Definitely got my money's worth, you know what I mean? I mean, she's a beauty. And she still starts up, fires up right away. So now I'm gonna try to get this gauge back out, finish that up, fix that up, and then look up those codes and hopefully get rid of them. So stay tuned. All right, everyone, the dash is fixed. I repeat, the dash is fixed. I had to get the speedometer needles from the United Kingdom. They're a little short, but should get the job done. So I ran the code. It's my blow-off valve. You know, you've seen the video. This video is all over the place. Anyways, I clean off the connectors for the top valve connector. Cleaned it all up. I switched the top switch and charged the battery and got a new dash. So hopefully, I'm gonna plug this thing in here. We gotta see, one, if the needles work correctly. Two, if there's any more code. Hopefully there's no more code in it and it runs good. We'll find out here in a second. All right, I've got, is this on? All right, I got the battery hooked up. I got the water hooked up. I'm nervous. Theoretically, when I hit the key, the valve, I should hear tapping in the valve if it's fixed. And then these needles should go zoop, zoop. So, moment of truth here, fire in the hole. I don't hear nothing from that valve. So I don't think I fixed the thing. Hold on, what did this do? Got a maintenance light immediately. That ain't good.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
I must have either the starter's cooked, I shorted something out. It's like locked up, bro. Does not sound good at all. That's a terrifying sound. So is the engine locked up? I don't know. Not a mechanic. Have not done anything to it other than changing the switch, cleaning a connector, checking a fuse. And it used to start up like this. So not sure where to go from here. I guess I'll just check some fuses, ask around. All right, just when I was gonna give up, hopped in the Facebook group. Note to self, don't crank an engine 20 times when it's probably hydrolocked. And I think that's what I got going on here. So I either left the water running after I turned it off, or I turned it on too early before I started it, and it appears to be hydrolocked. So now I'm gonna pull this cover, pull this off, pull the plugs, and then hopefully clear it out, and hopefully I didn't torch the engine. So stay tuned. If you can see that, there's water in my old pistons, you know what I mean, buddy? So it's not what you want. May have blown her up here. Okay, so now supposed to turn it over here. Water's gonna come out. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. I'm an idiot. Yeah, this thing's toast. This engine is... not my best piece of work here. I'll just say that. I don't know. Current situation. We got to get the watery oil out of the engine now. Harbor Freight special, $7. I don't know. Getting spark. It's getting all the water out. You didn't turn it on yet, right? No. Yeah. That didn't sound good. Whatever that was didn't sound good. Yeah, something's broke. It's cooked. Either it's not getting spark in all 3 cylinders. Maybe I put the spark plugs in. Maybe the spark plugs are bad. Or I broke something.
Let's change the spark plug.
Let's change the spark plugs. This may have been the quickest way to blow $2,400.
No.
World record. Could have went to the casino. Should have went to the casino. Lying if I said I'm not defeated right now. That didn't sound good. This is attempt number 3 of trying to get it started after hydrolocking. Shop vacs were used. Siphons were used. Prayers were used. Fire in the hole, bro. Let's see what happens here.
Let's please start.
Starter's cooked right now. Starter button is cooked right now. Every time. All right. This is what attempt 4. Recharge the battery to 40%. It's not fully charged, but it's got juice. I kind of want to throw up right now. I'm gonna be honest here. Kind of want to throw up. We're gonna hook the GoPro up. We need it to start badly. Hopefully to burn this water off. I don't have much time to mess with this thing. All right, here goes nothing. Fire in the hole. Yes. Hours. She doesn't sound good. Hours. I'm not running it with the hose because the hose burnt me last time. Get a timer going. My RPM meter is upside down right now. That's not right. We'll fix that later. What? Oh, shoot. Where's my phone? Phone's over here. 31. We'll go to 31. Yes! Dude, look at it. It's like the BP oil spill in my driveway right now. We've been siphoning oil. Oh, now she's burned. She's burned. Burning out all that BS. Burning out all that BS. Tell me at 31 and a half. 531 and a half.
531 right now.
Okay. She's gonna go another minute. So now I gotta try to get the oil out of, we'll let her heat up. And then I gotta do an oil change. 532 I'm gonna go. Dude, you guys don't understand. I thought this thing was toast. It still might be toast, but as of right now, it's not. That's not right. I don't know why. I don't know what I gotta do to figure that out. But it's completely upside down. One, two, three, 4, 5. Might have just. I don't want to count my eggs before they hatch, as they say.
Good sign, but
But for a minute there, I thought I just bought myself a $2,400 kayak. So now, I'm gonna change the oil, or at least get the oil out. Hopefully put new oil in. I don't have an oil filter, no spark plugs, none of that. Then hopefully it'll be okay. I gotta fix the RPM gauge. Don't know what I gotta do there, but I gotta fix that. And then still gotta fix the wait, did you notice? You know what I didn't, you know what I noticed? It wasn't making the alarm. So I might have fixed the blow-off valve, we don't know yet. But anyways, moral of the story, don't turn the hose on before you start your jet ski. Okay, take it from me, take it from experience. 8 hours out here. All right. Make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, because if this thing does blow up, I'm gonna need some income to buy a new one. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next episode. Hopefully we figure it out.